Product research is the single most important skill in dropshipping. If you pick the right product, almost everything else becomes easier. Your ads convert better and scaling becomes possible. But if you pick the wrong product, it doesn't matter how good your ads are or how good your website looks. It just won't sell. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact product research method I use to consistently find winning products for my own stores. We'll take a look at some real examples, break down why they sell, and I'll even show you how to validate products before you waste money testing them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find winning products with real demand, not just random things from AliExpress or TikTok. So let's be honest, the reason most beginners fail is because they do what everybody else is already doing. They're just copying random products they see on TikTok. But the truth is, dropshipping is not about finding a secret product that nobody else knows about. It's about finding proven demand instead. You want to find products that are already performing well for other sellers. That way you can jump on these trends early and start making the same amount of sales yourself, if not more. So product research is pretty much just a combination of data that's available to you as well as pattern recognition. Because the more successful products that you have under your belt, you'll start to recognize patterns about what makes a product successful. And this just helps you make the final call on whether a product's even worth testing or not. And because TikTok makes products go viral so quickly, competition is very fierce right now. And trends are moving so much faster. Now, before we actually start finding these products, let's talk about what I look for in any potential product to sell. This is my winning product criteria, or the top 5 things I'm looking for in any potential product. So if you come across a winning product and you want to sell it, make sure it matches at least a couple of these points right here. It doesn't have to hit all 5, but the more it hits, the better of a product it's going to be. Number 1, you want your products to solve a clear problem or provide some form of a strong benefit for your customers that you can communicate in your videos. So these can be products that fix issues, save time, or just make your customers' lives easier. A lot of examples of these are like pain relief products or certain tools that make jobs easier. But you guys should know right away on whether or not a product is problem solving or provides strong benefits. Number 2, this is more about your actual marketing or your UGC style videos that you use to promote your products, but you want to make sure you can demonstrate your products in just a few seconds. So you want to make sure your products are attention grabbing. That way you can create scroll stopping content around anything you sell. You want to create videos around your products that stop users right in their tracks from scrolling. That way they watch your entire video. So any visually appealing products or products that you can demonstrate on camera are going to be perfect for ads. And then of course you want to make sure it's a broad product. It's really good to niche down and sell products like home, pet, beauty, and gadgets, but you don't want to niche down too much. You want to make sure it's still broad enough to be in high demand. Otherwise you're going to have trouble selling these products. Number 4, you want to make sure all of your products have a good margin. That way you still have room for ad costs, platform fees, or any other costs associated with running a dropshipping business. So you only want to sell products that are low cost and high profit. Typically products with higher perceived value perform much better. So you'll see those products like cheap AliExpress necklaces that only cost a few bucks, but other stores are selling them for upwards of 100 or more. Those are the exact kind of products you want to focus on. So you should be aiming anywhere between 30 to 70% profit margins. 30% on the low side, 70% on the high side, aim for something in the middle like 50% or more. The number 5, I did mess up the title here, but number 5 is impulse purchases. If you sell products with high emotion or customer appeal, you can really drive those impulse purchases. But you still need to make sure it's low ticket enough so that customers don't have to think twice about it. Because you're gonna have trouble driving impulse purchases on a $200 product, but if you're selling something that's only like $20 or $30, you'll definitely be able to scale it. You just wanna make sure your customers can make quick decisions, and a lot of times you wanna focus on emotional based buying. If you really learn buyer psychology, you can use these tricks to increase your sales even more. But that's a topic for another day. So once you know what you're looking for, the next step is to find products that actually match this criteria. Now, most people do product research entirely wrong, so bear with me. A lot of people just scroll TikTok endlessly hoping winning products pop out at them, or search AliExpress forever looking for best sellers on there, or even just end up copying random ads on the TikTok or Facebook ads library. But the problem is, all of these methods are going to show you saturated products. These are products that are already past their prime. Many of the top sellers already stopped focusing on them, and all of the little sellers rushed in to take over. So for one, competition's already too high on these products. But there's also no demand validation behind any of these. Just because a product has millions of views on TikTok doesn't actually mean it's performing well. What we really want to see is actual sales data and what successful stores are already selling. And one of the tools I personally use for product research is called Zik Analytics. Zik will let you analyze sales data for any other Shopify store out there. So you can take an inside look at your competition stores and see all the top performing products for the top Shopify stores out there right now. So instead of guessing, we can see what's actually working. So I'll start by going to the Product Explorer tool. That's one of my favorite ways to find winning products right now. And automatically it's going to give you filters to find high revenue products, high ticket top sellers, one product store winners, top print on demand products, or even hot dropshipping products. So if any of these lists sound appealing to you, you can click on them and analyze them even further. Like let's take a look at hot dropshipping products. And right here, it's showing us some of the hottest products on the market right now. It's going to show you when each product was uploaded to its store, the price it's selling for, the amount of sales over the last 7 days, as well as 30, and its 30-day revenue. So for example, this diffuser right here is doing around $5,000 every single month. And you can just scroll through this list to find other winning products that you might want to sell yourself. So I'm going to go back to the Product Explorer tool, and this time I'm going to type in all of my own criteria. You guys can see all the different options we have right here. You can sort these different products by the product type, whether they're dropshipping products, one product stores, or print on demand products. And you can even sort them by which ad platforms they're focused on. So if they're running Facebook ads, TikTok, Pinterest, or even Snapchat. But of course, you can look these products up by keywords or even exclude other keywords, the amount of sales, revenue, price, and so on. So let's say we want to find dropshipping products or even one product stores that are running on TikTok and Facebook ads right now that are doing a minimum of, let's say, $25,000 every 30 days. We can type all of that in right here and go ahead and click search. And just like that, all of these products right here match that criteria. These are all dropshipping products or one product stores that are running on Facebook or TikTok ads that are doing at least $25,000 every single month. And as you guys can see, most of them are doing significantly more. This product's doing $40,000 a month. This one's doing $88,000 a month. This one's doing $298,000 a month. So for example, I know this product right here was a winner from the past, these little corner lamps. And right now they're currently doing $65,000 a month for just one other store. We can take a closer look at this brand by clicking on this icon right here. And we're taking a look at the store Light Tower. They're a one product store. They have over 800 sales and $67,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. You guys can see their sales chart right here. Sales are very consistent for the most part. This brand's doing around $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 every single day. And I like how consistent this sales chart is. There's no days where they really dip down too much, because for a lot of other brands, you'll see days where they make $0 in revenue, but not this one right here. They're staying consistent year round. So we'll exit out of there and you can see their one winning product down here. We can click the title right here to take a closer look at their product page. So right here we have the Light Tower modern styled LED corner lamp. I like all the high quality content they have on their product page right here. Like none of this looks ripped right off of AliExpress the way some brands do. All of this is cleaned up, branded well, visually appealing. This website looks good already. So here's their offer right here. You can get it for $80 marked down from $130. Save $50 is their offer. You can get one for $80, two for $143, or three for $203. So I'm sure these are bringing in a ton of additional revenue. You guys should always be including these quantity breaks or upsells on your own product pages, because this is a really good way to increase your AOV or your average order value, because you're just getting people to buy more of these at a time. I like the sticky add to cart button that follows us as we scroll down this page. And overall, this is a well-branded, well-written product page. It's visually appealing. They have a ton of high quality content on here showing the product in use, what it does, answering all of their customer questions right here in their FAQ, and their testimonials or reviews down here at the bottom. This is a perfect product page. I can definitely see why this brand is doing over $60,000 a month with it. So going back to Zik, if this was a product you actually wanted to sell yourself, you can go ahead and source an AliExpress supplier by clicking on this icon, and it's gonna use AI to scan AliExpress for the best suppliers out there for you. So obviously some of these aren't this exact product because this photo is a little bit confusing. Like we have this LED tape, we have that sunset lamp, but here's the one that we're looking for right here. Here's those corner lamps. So we can get this one on AliExpress for around $9. This one, $25, that's way too much. I'll keep scrolling through here until I find a couple other good suppliers. And of course, when you come across a supplier on Zik that you think has potential, you can go ahead and click on them, reach out and make sure they support dropshipping. You always want to do this before you sell any product, especially when you're depending on AliExpress. So let's go back to Zik one more time and take a look at this brand's active ads. You guys can see right here under ad channels, they have that meta icon. We'll go ahead and click on that. And that's gonna bring up the Facebook ads library showing you all of this brand's active ads right now. And they actually have a ton of ads running. In fact, some of these ads were launched almost 2 years ago. This one, November of 2024. November of 2024, June in 2024. These were launched last summer in August, in June. These were launched in May. This brand has a lot of old ads running that are still performing well for them. That's a really good sign. It shows that demand is not easing off this product anytime soon. So you guys can scroll through the ads library if you want to get any ideas for your own ads. You guys can see they have a mix of static image ads, they have video ads, and everything in between. Looks like they just have 2 different variations of ad copy throughout all of these ads. But just spend some time going through these videos and images and overall how they're promoting these actual products, especially if it's something you want to sell yourself. So right away, this light tower is a really good product that anybody can focus on right now because it matches some of our criteria. It's attention grabbing, it's not found in stores, it's evergreen, it has really good margins, and the demand is definitely there. This product's doing around $70,000 every single month. But let's go back to our list one more time and I'll find one more winning product live with you guys. All right, so after scrolling through this list, I did come across this product right here that definitely caught my attention. And it's a print on demand style product. It's like a custom style puppet that you can make look just like you. And I know this probably isn't something you're gonna find on AliExpress. You're gonna need to source a private supplier for this, but you can't ignore it, especially when it's doing $190,000 every single month. So let's go ahead and analyze this store right here. So this is the brand Puppet Mechanics. They're active on Facebook, YouTube, as well as Instagram. So they have a very strong social media presence and they're running all of their ads right now on Facebook ads. They're a 1-product store with over 488 sales this month and over $195,000 in revenue. And if we take a look at their sales chart right here, we can see that sales are very consistent. They're doing around $5,000–6,000 every single day. So let's exit out of there and let's take a look at their winning product down here. So right away, this is a very basic product page. There's nothing to this. It's literally just a title, a simple description, and the price tag. They only have 4 different photos of this product. There's really not much in here that's compelling, but it just goes to show if a brand like this can do around $100,000 every single month with a basic product page like this, there's no reason you can't. So I'll go back to Zik because there's really not much to the product page. It definitely needs some improvement. Like, I really don't understand how these guys are doing $200,000 a month with this. So maybe we can get a better understanding by taking a look at their active ads. And going on their Facebook ads library, they don't have any active ads right now. So they're either outsourcing this to a third party like an agency or running entirely on organic. I have no idea how these guys are even generating these sales. So I'll pull up their YouTube channel and they haven't posted on here in over 10 years. I didn't even know this brand was 10 years old. So it's definitely got to be like a reputation or a word of mouth marketing kind of thing, because I don't know where they're doing any marketing. And same thing on their Instagram page. They only have 700 followers on here and their last post was over 4 years ago. I really don't know how this brand does it. But enough of this brand, let's go back to Zik and this time let's click on their store finder over here. So instead of looking up winning products, this time we're looking up the top performing Shopify stores out there. And we already have these pre-selected filters to help us get started. We can find stores doing 100K a month, top print on demand stores, stores doing 50K a month, top US stores, or top UK stores. But for now, I'm gonna leave all of this alone and I'm gonna look up stores using all of my own criteria. So I'll leave keywords alone. We wanna look up stores that are dropshipping and 1-product stores. I don't care if they're active on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And I wanna find stores that are doing at least $50,000 every month. Type all that in and let's search. So right away, these are all dropshipping stores that are active on social media doing at least $50,000 every single month. Most of these are doing way more. We have 234,000, 600,000, 132, 139, or 109,000. These are some of the top performing Shopify stores on the market right now, and you can learn a lot from any of these. So this one right here, Golf Direct Now, was created in 2017, and they're doing $1.2 million every single month. This definitely catches my attention. Let's take a closer look at this store. Okay, so taking a look at their products down here, it looks like they're an actual retail store. So they sell golfing equipment, golf clothing, and everything else, but it's not your typical trendy dropshipping product, so I'm not really too focused on this. And with any of these stores, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to do what's already working for somebody else. This is just one of the best ways to find winning products that are doing hundreds of thousands of dollars for other sellers right now. And products that are already getting thousands of orders will typically perform much better for you because the demand is already there. So if you're gonna take away anything from this video, let it be this. Winning products aren't found by guessing, they're found by actually taking the time and studying the market. The more you analyze successful stores, the easier it becomes to recognize patterns and spot opportunities before anybody else does. And that's exactly why tools like Zik exist. They make this entire process faster by giving you access to the data behind what's already selling right now. So if you're serious about starting dropshipping in 2026, make sure you master product research first. Because once you can consistently find winning products, everything else becomes much easier for you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.